Bye-bye.
Y'all been here before?
No, sir.
Okay. Here's your map too. Okay, here's the park map.
Okay.
All right, I like that
Thank you.
sweater pullover thing. What's it called?
Poncho.
Poncho, okay. All right, so we're right here.
Okay.
And to get to this campground, you go up about a mile, make a left, and then another left.
Okay.
And then hopefully you have time to visit a little while tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I recommend getting to the visitor center. It opens about 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And then behind the visitor center is where the Prairie opens up.
Okay.
And there's the observation tower there. 3 stories tall. And it's about 50 feet tall.
Awesome.
And you can see the whole Prairie from there. It's gorgeous.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And here is the campground map.
Perfect.
You're at site 44. Okay, this is for your dash in case you have to leave.
Okay.
The after hours gate code on the back.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Again?
No.
Any questions, ma'am?
No.
No? Okay.
It's because we were on the hump.
Oh my God.
Left and left.
And a mile.
In a mile.
In a mile.
How far?
1 mile.
But it's got
Are you paying attention to what a mile is?
No. I'm looking for the first left in a mile.
You can tell that guy loves his job.
I'd love to be a ranger. They're awesome jobs.
Ari, I brought us gloves. Because I was just cold sitting watching you play.
Damn, look at that oak tree. Thing is old.
Share the road.
Puggy Road.
I see something coming up. Camping, picnicking, boat ramp.
What was this?
Overflow something.
I thought it was through.
I'm not sure you're
Parking,
supposed to
yeah.
do that.
Little scenic bypass.
Fork in the road. Went the wrong way because you didn't read the sign.
I don't think it.
I do.
one way.
Well, we're getting here during daylight. That's kind of helpful.
Yeah.
What? What?
Yeah, no, I was hoping we have a little bit of daylight.
Very well.
You're thinking of fifth wheel.
You're right. I am.
That's the fifth wheel right there. When you have the hitch in the back of your truck.
Are we ever going to see numbers? I mean, Jesus Christ. Oh, there's the restrooms.
Yeah, I see numbers. We passed 17.
18.
19 to 22 is a turn, but you just keep going. 23 to 26.
Oh, like some of those you can't even park at? Oh, they got the
Yeah, those are
wired
the
one.
primitive. We have a drive-through.
Thankfully.
This is a new world right here.
There's nothing that was super okay.
There's another bathroom.
I think it's the same.
Okay, we should be getting close. There's 41. So 42, 43. Should be right here.
The empty one?
Where?
This one? This empty one?
44. Okay, now we just gotta decide. Obviously, I want to back in here.
Yeah.
Obviously. I don't like that I don't see like a fire pit like the other place had. Or
There's
does it?
yeah, there's one.
Okay, good.
Dang, look at that thing.
Yeah, it's like a little house.
Tiny.
Tiny home.
Crossing Prairie.
I'm gonna try to squeeze in here and then find a little bit of a flat space if possible.
Are you near the electricity?
Well, I got a
There's-
long cord.
Okay.
I'm gonna scout this just to see, make sure I got the most optimal.
Okay. Steady on.
I need a beer.
It's not time yet.
No,
Don't
it
wanna
is.
do that again.
Huh?
Don't want to do that again.
What?
Honk, honk, honk.
Yeah, that's annoying.
I think I'm gonna pull up over here.
You should pull up near that table.
That's what I'm doing. I'm backing up to it.
Like they're backed up near that table, near their table.
I think I can.
It's kind of crazy with all this wood laying around that they don't want you to use their wood.
Yeah, that was just to clear the road.